Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today we're gonna go outside and have some fun. So let's go. If you're ready to have some water fun, we already opened the package, obviously, but this is super fun. Let's go outside and we'll show you. This is the sprinkler. All you do is attach it to your hose, and then you have to clip on these, but it's really simple. Just follow the instructions. And let me show you how it looks when it's all turned on. It is on and it's squirting all over. I'm gonna run through it really quickly. Now, watch my friend. God! He's got his he's got his water gear on. Are you having fun? Woohoo! This is super fun and really easy to set up. And it's super fun and it keeps us busy throughout the summer. Look at my friend. He is having a great time. Can you hear the squick, squick, squick from his shoes? Being outside is a lot of fun. Look at him go. Oh, he's thirsty. There's nothing wrong with a drink from the hose. He's so silly. This is great summer fun. You're doing great. Here I go. One more time. Woo, here we go. I almost fell. This is so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy. And go get yourself one. Well, friends, before I could even say, well, friends, I had to make sure that I cooled off and I had to get changed. I was super hot and very, very wet. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today, and I hope you get outside and try getting a sprinkler. You don't have to get the one we have, but just running through the yard, it's not only great exercise, it's super fun. Well, friends, I hope you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, keep liking them and subscribing for more and more fun.